In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ultimate mobile phone setup for filming YouTube content. You have your tripod or your stand, you have your light, and you have your audio. Girl, boy, guy, that is all you need. So hey love, and welcome back once again. So in case you guys are new here, hi there, my name is Kelechi mgbemena, and it's so good to have you on here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to our channel. Now on this channel, you guys already know that we talk all about how to level up your content. Now when it comes to starting off on YouTube and creating content, I like to say that it is best to start off with and kickstart your YouTube career using your mobile phone. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of sets as well as gears that you can use to elevate this. Now, when it comes to filming with your mobile phone, there is a lot you can do with creating content and producing the content. And nowadays, you can film amazing high quality content on your mobile phone. So if that sounds amazing, get a pen, get a paper, and let's get right into this video. So if you are a mobile content creator, I definitely advise you to get a video rig kit, guys. This is amazing if you're someone who creates video content, sit down content for YouTube. But this video is kind of specific to those that just create like indoor content, sit down content, hair beauty tutorial, food, whatever it is. This video is going to focus more on that. The first thing I want to focus on is your filming quality. This is so important. I talk about this in all of my videos, guys. I will leave a playlist over here so you can check them out. Whether you're filming on your DSLR camera or on your mobile phone, it is so important to make sure that you're optimizing the settings on this mobile phone. Make sure that you're filming in the highest quality. Minimum, you want to always film in 1080, that's FHD, full HD to get started with. Definitely would advise 4K, but because of space as well as battery hindrances, definitely you can start off at 1080p, right? But then if you can film in 4K, you will get the best quality. 4K is crisp, clear, and it's amazing. So once we've tweaked our settings, once we have enough storage, once we've made sure that we've gotten this all right, I'm going to go over to the actual setup. And for that, I'm going to be talking all about this rig over here. Now this rig comes with different parts, which is what I love about it. It comes like the complete kit to get you started with filming on YouTube and vlogging at the same time. What I love about this is with this, you can use this to kind of vlog as well as to get like product shots, B-rolls. For this particularly, I would advise this for anyone who is kind of creating indoor content, because with this you kind of get stabilization. You're sure of getting like a decent leveled and even landscape mode when you're filming. This comes with different attachments and it kind of makes it easy to add on whatever you want to add on. So for instance, there are about 3 hot shoes over here. So you can put 2 lights over here, 1 microphone. So with this, you can either attach your tripod stand, your light stand, using like this section right here to get like a portrait mode. However, there is another spot for it over here for a landscape mode, which is what we're going to be working with right now. So behind here, we have a knob that you can easily pull back to attach your mobile phone, right? This kit is from ULANZI, and you still have enough space in case your phone is a little bit bigger. It can still stretch out. Whoopsie! It can still stretch out a little bit further. So I do have a program for all mobile content creators, especially those that are creating content for YouTube using their mobile phone, and the program is tailored and focused on helping you start up, set up, as well as scale up your YouTube channel all on your mobile phone. So I'm going to take you guys through the entire process, from conceptualizing your ideas and scripting it down and writing down your ideas and planning out your content. I'm going to be showing you guys how to film different content, from food content, beauty content, hair content, vlog type content. Not only am I going to show you guys how to film and set up those kind of videos, I'm also showing you how to edit and optimize and post. Yeah, if you've not started on YouTube yet and you're looking for a systematic approach to it, something that will walk you and hold you through the entire step-by-step process, this program is for you. You can go ahead to check out the course outline, see if it's for you, and if you find it interesting, you can definitely join us and let's start creating on our mobile. Let's start growing and building a brand. So next up, we're going to be focusing on the audio quality. Now, when it comes to creating content, like I like to say this in all my videos on content creation and production, the visuals are 50%, then the audio is also 50%. So you have to be kind of thoughtful and intentional with the microphone that you're using, as well as, you know, how you're speaking and the sound in general, right? Now, this rig, this bundle, this set did come with its own microphone, which is amazing because this was less than $50, and I got a microphone and then lighting at the same time, which I'll talk about and I'll show you guys as well. So this is what this looks like. This is how compact this is. I feel like this is amazing for vlogging. I mean, it's so, let me take off this dead cat. This is how small this microphone is and compact it is. However, my problem with this kind of microphone, my problem with shotgun microphone, which is why I would hardly ever recommend this for filming YouTube content. My problem with this is that when you're filming like sit down tutorials like I am doing right now, you might have to be close enough to the microphone. This is usually propped on the recording device. So in a situation whereby you are far away from the recording device, your microphone, the audio quality declines and reduces. So definitely not a fan of shotgun. Definitely would advise it if you're filming like vlog type of content, because the distance is usually arm's length, which is amazing, right? But if you're going to be far away from your camera, far away from the microphone, I definitely would not advise this, except you want to prop this over here so that way it can catch your audio. But this just makes the setup like more rigorous and more bulky. So something I would advise you to do or to get are lapel mics, which is something that I love and I'm currently using, and they are inexpensive, they are easy to walk around, and they are just beginner friendly. Most of them are plug and play. So with this, you can easily just plug this onto your phone and you can clip this onto your shirt, your dress, whatever you're wearing, to get the best audio. That way your microphone is like this close to you and it's picking up on every word you're saying, and like no matter where I move, you guys, I'm still going to sound amazing, as opposed to like trying to be as close as possible to the shotgun mic. Okay, but if you're creating vlogs, sit down tutorials, like any type of content, definitely want to try out a wireless mobile microphone. Thank me later. It's wireless, so there's not going to be wire to kind of interfere with your filming. But when it comes to filming, what makes your quality, what makes your video crisp, amazing, what makes the visuals come alive and look even better is your lighting, guys. And lastly, we are talking all about lights, guys. Invest in good lighting if you don't have good sunlight. However, if you're starting off, I always say this every single time, sunlight is your best friend. The sun is your best friend. That is what I'm filming with. However, it is a bit gloomy. Like, it's a bit gloomy outside. It's raining on a fairly good day. It is sunny, and the sun is just the softest, the sweetest light that you can use for filming. And again, it's free. Yeah. So if you can start off with filming, start off with your sunlight and get acquainted with that. However, if you are creating content on the go, you don't have that, this rig, this kit did come with two portable, look at how tiny this is, two portable and rechargeable video lights. They are amazing. These ones are the VL49 video light. This is what it looks like from the box over here. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. I use this personally to vlog with my Sony ZV-1 and it is amazing. I'm going to grab my light stand. I'm going to hook this on. There are 3 hot shoes over here. I'm going to go ahead to attach my lighting over here. Screw this down to lock it in. I'm going to attach the other one. Now, you do have a microphone. If you were to be using this microphone, you could easily screw this here so that way it is centered and it picks up your audio. This is your perfect YouTube setup. You have your tripod or your stand, you have your light, and you have your audio. Girl, boy, guy, that is all you need. Anything else could be an extra or irrelevant, but this is all you need to get started. Good lighting, good audio, and good camera. So I'm going to fix up my camera. I'm using the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. So it's not the latest phone, but it does give off like an amazing quality, and it films in 4K, which is amazing for me. So I'm going to pop this over here. But for audio, I'm not going to be using this shotgun mic. I'm going to switch over to the wireless microphone for my mobile phone. This is what it looks like. Let me just take this out. I'm just going to plop this over here. It's as easy as that. I'm going to press this and it's going to come on right now. And I can put this on my shirt. We can start recording. Let me turn on my lights, okay? Okay guys, so now I kind of love what I'm working with. I'm going to hit the record button now just so you guys can see the quality out of this. This is our test filming with this amazing video rig right here. I have my camera that I'm currently working with and I'm filming in 4K. I have my two amazing lighting and I have this wireless microphone over here. You guys can see that it's currently on and this is what we are looking like. Now when it comes to lighting, guys, if I move closer, you realize that like it's looking a little bit better. And with this, you can easily do like makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, like sit down tutorials like I'm doing right now, and cooking tutorials even make it work. The lighting is on the highest. Do bear in mind that I'm filming with my studio lights, but just so we could do justice to this, I'm going to turn off all my lights, all my studio lights. Let me turn it off. We're currently working with two LED lights that are positioned in front of us, and this is how bright it is filming in my room. Just these two amazing lights. I'm just take one out of this and like move it closer to me so that we can see what it looks like up close. Yeah, this is the light, and this is what it looks like up close. I'm currently filming in 1080p at FHD, full HD, and I wanted to give you guys this view so that you can see what it looks like in 1080p as well. Still amazing. If you can't film in 4K because of your camera quality or maybe even memory space wise, definitely film in 1080p. If you can't film in 4K, do this and do not go below this. But this is the quality that we're getting. Let me go back to turn on my studio lights. Let's just visualize this. Yeah, so this is what it looks like filming with my studio lights turned back on. So if you guys would love to see an updated mobile phone filming, start to finish, tips, hacks, and all of that, let me know down in the comment section. All right, guys, so that is what it looks like filming on my mobile phone. It's portable, it's easy to work around with, it's versatile, and you can add more things to it. So yeah, if you've watched this video up until now, thank you so much for watching, for joining us. I do appreciate you. I do appreciate your support. Let me know down in the comment section if you found this helpful, if you'd like to join us, and also let me know what your thoughts are. Let me also know if you have any recommendations with regards to like filming on mobile, filming in general on YouTube, filming on DSLR, filming in a studio space, lighting setup. And I love this. I love creation, I love production, and I love just content in general. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye guys.